Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some stuffed sausages at the pit. And they're real easy to do. All right, you're going to need a few items, maybe some onions or peppers. Depends where you want to go with this. Here I've got some cheese. I've got some hot sauce. We've got some condiments for the end. All right, let's show you how this works. This is frozen breakfast sausages, and that's a rope of fresh Italian sausage. All right, natural casing. And what we're going to do here is take these breakfast sausages, and I keep them frozen so that it works real easy, and insert them into a natural casing sausage. I've got a rope here of about 4 feet of Italian style. You can pretty much get them anywhere, or you might have to go to your butcher, of course. And so we're going to take a wood spoon, right, just to make this easy. And then we can easily insert this frozen breakfast sausage. Now, there's a lot of flavor in these breakfast sausages. They're fully cooked, so you don't have to worry about getting these fully cooked before serving them at the pit. All right, you saw me do one there. Let's do another, right? Cut about, what, 5 inches or so, depending on how big those breakfast sausages are. Use your wooden spoon just to help make it easy for insertion, right? You can use your finger too. Pitmaster privilege. Now, here in this one here, I'm going to insert some hot sauce, right? Just a little bit of hot sauce. Add a little more heat to this. You can go a lot of ways with this, like I said. Now, taking that breakfast sausage, and again, it's frozen, otherwise it wouldn't work, right? So you make these up a couple hours beforehand. This will allow the breakfast sausage inside to thaw out before placing them on the grill. Makes sense. Now, just in case you fell asleep, let me show you one more time. Use a nice natural casing sausage. They're fantastic alone. Make a hole in it, and then insert that frozen breakfast sausage. Now, these breakfast sausages, like I said, have a lot of flavor, rosemary, thyme, whatever, and this will flavor that Italian-style sausage a little bit more. Yeah, easy to do, just like I said. All right, now, for the condiments on this, we're going to be using some green bell pepper and some onions, very traditional sausage and pepper and onions, right? For some of you, you know all about that. So we're going to slice up some bell peppers here. Use your favorite peppers, right? And we've got a nice sweet onion. We'll slice those up as well. You know all about that. If you've been watching us over the years, we've done this a number of times. Oh, yeah, simple enough. Now, we'll just cook these on a stove on the side. Now, let's get back to the grilling part. We're going to place these on a grill, indirect, opposite the hot coals. We don't want to cook these real fast at first, right? So you can see we're placing the sausages opposite the hot coals here. Simple enough, right? And we've got a temperature in there maybe of about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, of course, if you must. And these won't take long, right? We're just going to cook that sausage to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit external, right? Just on the outside. Simple enough. All right. About 15, 20 minutes has gone by. Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. Now we'll just rotate these. You can see how they're cooking nice. The sausage is pulling back a little bit. Oh, baby. You're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Not long to go. Now, the peppers and onions are done. There's a little bit of garlic in there, a little bit of olive oil, right? All right, you know about that. You've seen us do this before, right? So, in the miracle of time, these stuffed sausages are done. Time to pull them off the grill. Now, if you got a big party going on, a tailgating, and you're lacking time, this is the perfect sausage to cook up real tasty, very unique. This is very unique to the BBQ Pit Boys, of course. We do a lot of unique cooking here at the pit. And they're fantastic. You can use them as hors d'oeuvres. Cut them up a little bit smaller, and they'll go real fast. Now, we're doing sick sausage stuffed sausage subs here at the pit. So I've got some good sausage rolls. And we're going to toast them up a little bit, freshen them up. Simple enough. Oh yeah, take a look at that. You don't need a sub. Just eat them just like that. All right, toasted. Same routine. I don't really need to be showing you this because you know all about it, right? But I'm going to go ahead and get you a good close-up look. Now, for this one, we'll just take one sausage. But you can throw a couple in there. Pitmaster privilege. Throw some mustard on there. Classic. Some relish. Ooh. You kidding? Simple enough. Quick and easy to do. And these will be the best sausages your guests will eat. Guaranteed. They'll want to know all about it. Now, I've got a bigger roll here. So let's throw 2 or 3 on there. I don't know. Whatever fits. Good enough. Now I happen to have some cheese. Throw a little cheese on there. That's Pitmaster privilege. Like I said, take these where you want. Set them up the way you want. Your condiments, your style. That's always the Pit Boys style, right? And let the cheese melt for a second or two. And that's pretty much done. We're short on time here, I'm sure. We got to go to the next vid, right? Now, this is a classic sausage and onion and pepper sub. Just like that. But with the added breakfast sausage, you're going to take it up a notch, if not 2. Right? Good enough, just like that. Lord have mercy. I'm telling you. You better make a bunch of these, man, because they're going to go real fast. I'm telling you. Look at that. There's not much more to say now, is there? Oh, Martha, give us a call. Come on. I miss you. Put that pretty red dress of yours on, good. Make your sausage sandwich. Yeah. How about some jalapenos on there? Make it hot. Now, as always, I do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but of course we call this Pitmaster privilege. Now, head on over to our website, join or start your own chapter. Certainly favor us or sub us. We really appreciate your support. We've got a bunch of t-shirts over there. We got all kinds of Pit Boys gear, and this is what you got. Like I told you, you can use these as hors d'oeuvres, right? All right, so the next time you're looking for a good recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.